Hi, my name is Christopher, and this is Study Circle, our PA9 project for Computer Science 122. Study Circle is a graphical study application designed for Washington State University students, and it combines three main features: a campus heat map to visualize study activity, a Pomodoro timer, a notepad, and a Quizzard. Combining this all together as SFML into a simple UI system that allows us to navigate. As you can see, you can use the up and down arrows to navigate and press enter to select. This was built just using a UI manager, which inherits from a UI element and UI event class. So this is used. This is so it shares a consistent behavior. So first I'll demo the heat map. Here you can see the various different places on campus, such as Hall and Library, Q, Glen Terrell, the Cub, and so on and so forth. This is pretty stylized. This was made by Addy. And each of these buildings represent a study location on campus. As you can see, when you hover over a building, you can see the groups there, the amount of activity at that place, and if that group is in person or virtual. I can also add a study group by pressing A, and this is kind of virtual, but the idea is you would press A and you'd be able to add your own group or new group to this screen. You can also right click to pin a group. So you, like, if you wanted to focus on that group and you wanted to make a note of where it was, you could highlight it. You could also probably interact with it eventually. And you can press R to reset it. You press escape to get back. For the timer, it's pretty simple. It goes for 25 minutes and it just counts down. At the end of the 25 minutes, it goes into a 5-minute break. You can pause the timer, you can resume the timer, and you can reset the timer. And you can see all the controls around the screen. For the notepad, this kind of just lets you type in some simple notes. It's a scratch pad. Originally, this was meant to be a chat room, but we ran out of time making this work, so now it's just a notepad. You can see, click send. Equals to c squared. So as you can see, I type in the formula, and when you exit the menu, it persists. So I thought that was pretty neat. I managed to get it to persist. Unfortunately, if you exit out of the app and reopen it, it doesn't import your notes back in, but it'd probably be useful if you're just exploring around. Last but not least, we have Quizzard, which is a cute little flashcard system. Shows some very basic cards, and you can cycle through all of them. As you can see, 2 + 2 is 4. Paris, 25. What is our class? Data structures, and our mascot, Bush T. Cougar. Love him. Overall, this project was built in SFML, and while we didn't get to do all we wanted, at least it's something functional. And I feel quite proud of that because it took a lot of learning to get here. I don't think I would use SFML voluntarily ever again, but a fun project nonetheless. Thank you for watching.